Last minute trip to game preserve here. And apparently it's this really long hallway here. Okay, I am geeking out. Here is a little, I forgot what they're called, the gondolas, trolleys, whatever, from Astroworld. This is basically my childhood in a nutshell. I can't tell you how many times I thought I was going to die on one of these, and I still did it every single time. Got a neat place here. For a quick bite. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. This is the third time we're getting this. It's so good. It's called the Bayou Pasta. It's very spicy. Harper?
It was dripping everywhere, but look, it made a little hidden Mickey.
It is a hidden Mickey. I think it's a sign. All right, today's our open house. Trying to get everything cleaned up and make it look like we don't live here, which is impossible with 3 kids. So hopefully we'll get some good news today. Guys, so we are back. We hung out at my mother-in-law's for a little bit while they did the open house. It didn't go as well as we wanted. Our realtor slash friend didn't realize that it was Meet the Teacher tonight. So, and we homeschool obviously, so I don't follow that kind of stuff. But anyway, we're going to have another open house this weekend and see how it goes. So for now, we'll just try to keep the house as clean as possible, and kind of windy out here. Anyway, we're hopeful, so we will try this again this weekend, and I will let you know how that goes. It's been a very long day, so I am going to call it a night. See y'all next time.